Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice story from SmartRoots Learning. Today's story is called The New Student. Listen carefully and enjoy. It was the first day of school after the summer holidays. A new student named James walked nervously into the classroom. He looked around, unsure where to sit. The teacher, Mrs. Brown, smiled warmly and said, "Class, this is James. Let's all welcome him." Some children waved, but James still looked shy. At recess, he stood alone near the playground. Then two classmates, Emma and David, walked over. "Would you like to play with us?" Emma asked kindly. James smiled for the first time that day and nodded. Soon they were running, laughing, and playing tag together. By the end of the day, James felt happy and no longer afraid. He realized he had already made his first new friends. Thank you for listening to The New Student. We hope you enjoyed the story and practiced your English listening skills. Don't forget, you can download the free worksheet for this story from the description. See you in the next listening practice.